Alright y'all, this sliding glass door is a Jeld-Wen 2500 series, not a premium but a 2500 series. So the problem with it, it's a new sliding glass door, is it doesn't want to fully engage the latch. I'll show you what happens. When I close it, you see how the latch itself is retracted right there? If I were to throw the latch, bring it out, it would go up like that to engage. That's fully thrown latch. That's halfway, and that's disengaged. So when I close the sliding glass door like this and try to engage the lock, it won't engage. And I'll show you what it's hitting. It's hitting the throw plate here, right there. It won't get past that and engage. So the lock itself will not engage. The door will not lock. This adjustment screw right here does no good to help that issue. My sister and I both put sliding glass doors, these Jeld-Wens, in our home, and we tried on hers. That has nothing to do with it. Here's what will lock this sliding glass door. For whatever reason, sorry y'all, it's trying to get some lighting here. So, with the latch disengaged, if you put it, so you see this lever here, it's up all the way. If you engage it partially, like that, so from there to there. If it were engaged all the way, it goes further up and comes straight out at a 90. You don't want that. You want it disengage fully, put it out halfway, and I'll show you what happens. If you can watch that. There you go. Push the door closed, and it locks. So for whatever reason, many people have problems with this lock. You disengage it to open it. I never fully disengage it because I know that to close it, it's got to be in that position. Shut it, and then it locks. Alrighty y'all, I hope that helps you. Again, it has nothing to do with this adjustment screw up here. It will not help you. And you'll likely want to, as my sister did, move this throw plate up and down, remove the screws. It will do you no good. Well, you'll finally get it like that, but it'll destroy this area here or make it look really bad. So to engage it, simply disengage the entire way, extend it like that, halfway through. When it's fully engaged in the lock itself, the strike plate, it'll be down here, the level will be down here. So to engage it, halfway, push it, fully engage it. If you don't, I'll demonstrate again what will happen. Fully disengaged, close it, the lever will just keep bouncing up. It will not lock. Halfway out, close it, engage the lock, and the lever right here stays down. All right, sorry for the shaky video. I've only got two hands. All right, y'all, hope it helps. Happy DIY.